Hello class, welcome to our channel. Today, we will answer some exercise about classifying accounting elements. So, here is the instruction. Classify the following account titles as to assets, liabilities, and owner's equity. In owner's equity, if it is income, cost, and expenses, or expense, then we will use check mark to classify the following account titles. So, here is the exercise. We have 22 account titles here. So, I will challenge you to get your ball pen and paper and try to answer this one. So, we have 22 account titles. What are we going to do is to classify whether each account title is an asset, liability, and owner's equity. Out of 22, dapat you can get 17 points or you have only 5 mistakes na pwede ma-incur. Okay, so I will give you 5 seconds each account title for you to answer. Then after that, check your answers. Then bilangin nyo kung ilan ang inyong tama if you get 75% passing rate. Okay? So let's start. Prepaid expense. Asset, liability, or owner's equity? Start now. Okay, time is up. The correct answer for prepaid expenses is asset. Kasi binayaran na natin yung expenses bago pa man ito ma-incur. Next, cash in bank. Asset, liability, or owner's equity? 5 seconds starts now. Okay, time is up. The correct answer for the cash in bank is an asset. Okay, so congratulations sa mga naka-perfect score na sa number 1 and number 2. Next, accounts receivable. Asset, liability, or owner's equity? 5 seconds starts now. Okay, time is up. Accounts receivable, diba, it is a collection. Therefore, it is to be collected, by the way, rather. So, it is accounts receivable to be collected. Therefore, it is asset because when it is collected, it will be converted into cash. Next, Felinita de Gala Capital. Okay, time is up. Felinita de Gala Capital is an owner's equity because it is a capital. So, we have to check this owner's equity section. Next, notes payable. Asset, liability, or owner's equity? Okay, time is up. When we say notes payable, it is considered what? A liability kasi utang natin ang notes payable. Next, petty cash fund. Asset, liability, or owner's equity? Okay, time is up. Petty cash fund is an asset. Next, unused office supplies. So, yung mga office supplies na hindi pa nagagamit. 5 seconds to classify. Okay, time is up. When we say unused office supplies, it is an asset. Next, account title is sales. Asset, liability, or owner's equity. Okay, time is up. When we say sales, it is a what? Sales is an income. And when it is an income, it is under the owner's equity. So, the correct answer is owner's equity. Next, when we say purchases, what is it? An asset, liability, or owner's equity? Timer starts now. Okay, time is up. Purchases is an owner's equity. Why? Because it is a cost. Then sales is an income. So it is an owner's equity. Next, repairs and maintenance. Timer starts now. Repairs and maintenance. Okay, time is up. When we say repairs and maintenance, it is an expense. And when it is an expense, it is classified as an owner's equity. Next, freight out. Okay, what is freight out? Classify the account title, freight out. 5 seconds starts now. Okay, time is up. Freight out is an expense and therefore an owner's equity. Okay? Nakuha nyo ba ang 11 so far? 11 points. So now let's proceed to number 12, account title, the unearned income. So, timer starts now. Okay, time is up. Unearned income is a liability. It is a liability. Binayaran ka na pero hindi pa na-render ang service. Next, taxes and licenses. Classify this account title. 5 seconds starts now. Okay, so taxes and licenses is an expense. Therefore, considered as an owner's equity. Next, insurance expense. Number 14, insurance expense. 5 seconds starts now. Okay, time is up. Insurance expense is, syempre, an expense. Therefore, classify as an owner's equity. Next, accounts payable. Accounts payable, timer starts now. Okay, time is up. When we say accounts payable, it is a liability. Next, freight in. when we say freight in, it is okay, time is up. Freight in is a cost. Therefore, it is considered as an owner's equity. Next, number 17. Cash on hand. 5 seconds. Start now. Okay, time is up. The correct answer for the cash on hand is an asset. Next, mortgage payable. When we say mortgage payable, it is a... Okay, timer starts now. Mortgage payable is a liability. Okay, it is a liability. Next, building. When we say building, okay, time is up. Building classifies as an asset, and it is a non-current asset. Next, machinery. Machinery. Okay, time is up. The correct answer is asset. Machinery is classified as an asset. Next, furnitures and fixture. Furniture and fixture. Okay, time is up. The correct answer for furniture and fixture is an asset. It is also considered as a non-current asset. Next, rent expense. Timer starts now. Okay, time is up. Rent expense is an owner's equity. Okay, so now count your scores. Ilan bang nakuha nyo out of 22? So, dapat 17 and above ang scores nyo to pass this exercise about classifying accounting elements. Okay? Ulitin natin ha. When we say prepaid expense, it is an asset. Cash in bank, asset. Accounts receivable, asset. Felinita di Gala capital, owner's equity. Notes payable, liability. Petty cash fund, asset. Unused office supplies, asset. Sales, owner's equity because it is an income. Purchase cost because it is an owner's equity because it is a cost. Repairs and maintenance expense, owner's equity. Freight out, owner's equity. Unearned income, liability. Taxes and licenses expense, owner's equity. Insurance expense, owner's equity. Accounts payable, liability. Freight in, owner's equity. Cash on hand, asset. Mortgage payable, liability. Building, asset. Machinery, asset. Furniture and fixture, asset. And rent expense, owner's equity. So, that's it for our exercise in classifying accounting elements. Congratulations to those who got 17 scores and above. But for those below 17 na score, so kaya yan. Hindi ibig sabihin na kapag hindi nakaabot ng 17, hindi na kayo magiging CPA. Just practice, study, read, and analyze. So, thank you so much, class, for listening. I hope you learned something. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Share also our channel to your GC classmates and friends. God bless, class.